Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can add widgets to your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to long press your home screen like this. Click on widgets and here you can see there are lots of widgets of all the apps. You can see if you want to click on music, you can see music, weather, notes, calculator, clock, quick functions you can also add in it. And here are system UI, themes, drives, photos, and there are lots of more. You can simply add to it like I show you. Click on this weather and here you have to just simply click on tick and here it is the weather. First you have to click on the location where you from, like Delhi. Click on Delhi and here you have to just add this and click on allow. And friends, here it is the temperature, it is showing like a wage. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.